Well, I may have just lied to you. We're not quite at variables. We have one more very quick topic to discuss with numbers, something called NaN. It is a special value in JavaScript. It stands for not a number, and it is a number in JavaScript. It's considered a numeric value that represents something that is not a number. So there's a couple different ways you could arrive at not a number. Here are two simple ones. If you try and divide 0 by 0, you'll get not a number. If you try and take not a number and add a number to it, the answer is still not a number, which makes sense. You couldn't take not a number and add 5 to it. The answer logically would be not a number. So you can type not a number like this. It is capital N-A-N. If you did N-A-N like this, it's not really going to work. It needs to be capitalized correctly. It's a very special value in JavaScript, and it is a number, as I mentioned already. If we do 0 divided by 0, we get not a number. If we take not a number, we add 5, it's still not a number. There are two other values I'll mention. We have infinity, which we can generate by doing something like 1 divided by 0. JavaScript just has a way of representing a value of infinity. There's no way to store that as a number, an actual number that you could see, so we have a special value called infinity. There's also a negative infinity, as you can see here. And we also have 0 and negative 0, which sometimes throws people off. Negative 0 is its own value in JavaScript as well. But the point here is really about not a number. If you do encounter not a number, it is a value that means this is not a number. It doesn't necessarily mean something went wrong. Sometimes you have code where you're expecting not a number, or it could be a possibility. So it's not an error necessarily, but it means this is not standard math, or JavaScript is going to have a hard time representing this number or this value as a true numeric value. So that's NaN, not a number. Now we're actually going on to variables.